In this video, I will guide you on how to earn monthly income through the TikTok platform. The niche that I am going to introduce to you today is one of the easiest to spread on TikTok or YouTube. Especially, you don't need to shoot videos or do any other work. You can apply the way I share to earn income through TikTok Shop affiliate marketing. So please follow to the end of the video. Let's get started. First of all, I want to show you a sample TikTok page for this field.
I'm not sure if you remember me. This is Victor. Victor? Do you remember I used to sit outside of the train station? You gave me your number to call in case of anything.
Of course I remember you. How are you? You never messaged me.
I'm doing well. That's actually why I wanted to send you a message.
I think you must have watched these types of videos at least once. After watching, many people think that these chat stories are real, but in fact, they are all made-up stories. Now let me show you how to create it step by step. Firstly, we need to create a story, and for example, this is a shirt that I want to affiliate market on TikTok Shop. So, my story will revolve around this shirt. I am not good at writing, so I will ask ChatGPT to write me a chat between two friends. These two friends are male, and the content of the story talks about a shirt that one of the two people just bought on TikTok. Okay, our story is ready. Now let's create the actual video. Of course, you can download a background video, create a fake chat, create a voice, and then edit them with a video editor. This process is really time-consuming and laborious. But today, I will introduce an AI tool that can create this type of video with just a few clicks. That's right, with just a few clicks. Let's move on. This is Vsub, a video creation tool powered by AI. It can create engaging and attractive videos, from Reddit story videos to animation videos, in just minutes. I will leave the link to this tool in the description. Okay, now after you have reached the home page of Vsub, create an account using your Google account or your email. After successfully creating an account, the interface will look like this. Okay, now let's see the features that Vsub offers. Firstly, you can create automatic subtitles for your video in more than 50 languages. Just select the language of the video and then upload the video. The rest, Vsub will take care of. Next, with Reddit story feature, you can convert Reddit posts into video. You just need to enter the video duration, language, and Reddit post link, and Vsub will create for you an attractive video with images, voices, and captivating captions. Alright, our next feature is AI video. With this tool, you can create high-quality videos in the style of animated films and 3D cinematic animation. Then there is the fake text. Today, we will use this feature. You will also find some other features. Alright, let's start creating the video. This is the fake text story video creation page. Now we have to enter the chat. You can also use AI-generated chats, but I will create a video with a chat created by ChatGPT. Click on the import button here. Now, you just need to copy each line of the conversation and paste it here. To create an actual chat, you can have one friend send a picture of the newly bought shirt for the other to see. Suppose the type right column corresponds to the dialogue of the first person. Therefore, after the first person finishes texting, we need to select another type right line and select image to upload the image. Next, copy the dialogue of the second person and do the same until the end of the conversation. Alright, another important setting in the conversation is if you want to emphasize any text, then turn on the emphasize option after the line. Alright, our script or chat is ready. Now, let's go to the settings tab. Here, we will set up the voice actors for both characters. You can see that in Vsub, you have access to 11 labs, meaning we can create the most authentic narrations. Alright, let's choose the voice actors for both characters. After choosing the voice actor, we need to name the second character. That is the person who will receive the text. In my case, that will be the personality of the close friend. After entering the name, you can add a profile picture. Alright, lastly, you need to choose a template from here. You can choose between iPhone and WhatsApp in both dark mode and normal mode. Alright, after setting up, press the continue button. Now, Vsub will analyze the text, create screenshots, dub, and finalize the video. It will take a bit of time. And here it is, our video is ready. Let's have a preview.
Hey man, check out this shirt I just got. I actually bought it on TikTok. Yeah, I know, sounds crazy, but there's this seller who posts these really cool fashion videos and I couldn't resist.
Really good. The fabric feels nice and the print is sharp. Plus, it was a great deal.
I might have to give it a try sometime. Did it take long to arrive?
That's really amazing. You can see that Vsub creates a fake text chat, adds a background, and also creates a voice for us. Now, to make the video more interesting, you can add sound effects. On the right side of each chat, you will find sound effects. Just select them as needed. For example, I am adding the sound effect of sending a message at the first line of the chat. Review all the lines and add sound effects if needed. Alright, at the top of the Settings tab, you will find options to customize the size of the screenshots. You can even make it full screen. Next, if you want to change the background of the video clip, then go to the Video tab. From here, you will find a free video library. Here, you can even upload your own video content. This time, I will use a video clip from the library, but I will suggest using your own video clip. Alright, now if you want background music for your video, go to the Music tab. From here, now select the BGM clip from here or upload it from your computer. Alright, after setting BGM, move to the Advanced tab. Here, you can create emoticons, replace videos, export captions, add overlays, change video size, and add your brand logo. Alright, after setting up, press the download button. After the export is complete, click the download button to save the video on your device. Alright, our video is now saved on our device. Let's watch the video.
Hey man, check out this shirt I just got.
I actually bought it on TikTok. Yeah, I know, sounds crazy, but there's this seller who posts these really cool fashion videos and I couldn't resist.
Surprisingly good. The fabric feels nice and the print is sharp. Plus, it was a great deal.
That's pretty cool. I might have to give it a try sometime. Did it take long to arrive?
Not at all. It came in just a few days. I was impressed by how fast it was.
Nice. I'm glad to hear it worked out. I've been wanting to update my wardrobe, so maybe I'll browse TikTok for some fashion inspiration too.
Definitely do it. You never know what gems you might find. If you need any recommendations, just let me know.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. By the way, what's the plan for this weekend?
Not sure yet, but I was thinking we could hit up that new burger joint downtown. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. Burgers and shopping on TikTok sounds like a perfect weekend to me.
Haha, you got it. Let's make it happen.
That's our fake message. How is it? Let me know in the comments section. Now, let's talk about the price of this tool. In the monthly packages, there are 3 paid packages and 1 free package. In the starter package, you will receive 3,000 credits and a maximum video export duration of 2 minutes, for which you have to pay $19. In the Pro package, you will receive 8,500 credits and a maximum video export duration of 10 minutes, for which you have to pay $49. In the Premium package, you will receive 17,000 credits and you have to pay $99. If you want to purchase a lifetime offer, you can refer to the corresponding prices. Alright guys, I will end our video now. Before that, I really want to hear about your experience of creating fake text video with Vsub AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe to our channel for more great tutorials like this. Thank you very much for watching and until next time, happy creating.